Now, celebrating this event is really outstanding. One of the things that I've been able to go through for many, many years here is an opportunity to see something new and something that's an idea come to a new fruition. The other thing that's very exciting is there's another example of how New Jersey Medical School, Rutgers University can cooperate and come together with University Hospital to produce something that's going to be a great benefit to everybody.
The next generation of clinicians is going to get trained at the state-of-the-art center, get to know how to interact with patients the best, how to perfect those clinical skills and those physical skills that they need prior to getting on the wards with patients. It's really setting the bar for what medical education should be.
Every room is meant to be a mixed-use space. The intent of these spaces is for us to be able to use whatever modalities is necessary for the students to learn, be it a small group or a big group.
So a clinical skills center as a mode of teaching medical students is critically important to create a safe space for students to make mistakes and to learn from those mistakes. So having a space where faculty can observe students in those interactions and patient interactions, give them feedback, and have them repeat it and correct their behaviors is a profoundly important tactic for teaching medical students.
It feels great to finally see all the hard work that our administration, faculty, construction workers, everyone really put in to give us this educational space that really helps us grow as physicians, build our confidence, and everything that we need to feel comfortable in the journey forward.
It's extremely important that all of you that are the students succeed here, that all the faculty succeed here, and that everyone that works here succeeds here, because all of us together, we make what Newark is so important. So congratulations today to the medical school and to University Hospital for everything that they're going to continue to do and for all the great things that are coming ahead. This hospital was built on blood and tears of generations who came before us and promises that were made that have never been kept. And today we are starting to see that fruition when the shovels are in the ground, when the partnerships, when you have a science high school student entering the university and then becoming the top. That is the promise of the Newark agreements. And I'm just so proud that we are now at the precipice in a real way of it happening. So congratulations to everyone involved. Newark first all the time.